In this presentation, we will introduce some of the functional groups that you will be studying. All substances that form the basis of all living things, including ourselves, are organic compounds. As we know, all organic molecules contain carbon atoms. So we can think of carbon atoms as the backbone of organic molecules. A functional group gives a family of organic compounds their characteristic reactions. So we have different families of organic molecules, and each family has its own characteristics. These characteristics are related to the functional group of this family. A family of organic compounds which have the same functional group is called a homologous series. So a homologous series is a family of organic molecules which have the same functional group. Successive members of a homologous series differ from each other by an extra carbon atom that has two hydrogen atoms bonded to it. So for example, if we take alkanes, the family of alkanes is one of the homologous series that are important in organic chemistry. Here we have the first 5 alkanes, which are methane, ethane, propane, butane, and pentane. These are successive members of the homologous series of alkanes. If we examine the structures of these molecules, we will find that they differ from each other by one carbon atom which is bonded to two hydrogen atoms. Here we have the most common functional groups in organic chemistry. These are alkanes where all the bonds between the carbon atoms are single covalent bonds. Another functional group that we will study is the alkenes. Alkenes have at least one double covalent bond between two carbon atoms. We also have alcohols, which are characterized by the hydroxyl group. So whenever you see OH group bonded to a molecule, this means that this molecule is an alcohol. We also have carboxylic acids, which are characterized by the presence of this functional group, C double bond O, OH. And finally, we have esters. We have C double bond O, O, C. So these are the main functional groups that we will study later. We have alkanes, alkenes, alcohols, carboxylic acids, and esters.